Feeling around. Super stoked. There's my boy.
What's good? What's up there?
I can't see from there.
We can't see the runs from here, so we got no idea. How's the track?
Whoa, dude! Oh my God! You initiate, and then you already got to just snap, get an inside clip, then you extend, and then so we'll see how it rolls.
All right. We're recording? Yeah, we are. What's up? Hopefully you guys can hear us. It's a little bit windy out. What's up, Frank? How are you? We're here in the pits, the hot pits, checking out FD, helping Wadman. John's over here, represent. Got all kinds of fun stuff happening over there. Yeah, so basically so far so good. Nothing crazy on the car side. You got a couple of passes in and just needs to do that again. 2 more passes, come back, and then we'll change tires and go from there. So Frank, having fun yet?
It's a hot day, honestly.
It's super hot. Track temps. That's at like 6 p.m. What's the word, bud? We rolling or we saying?
Yeah, we're out.
All right, let's go to the pits. One more lap. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll be able to see it from the other side. All day, every day, we're checking it out. Uh-oh. Who's that? It's Wadman. Oh! Watch out. Is official AF, dog. Look at that. Yeah, I got mine too. You know I got that shirt in there. Thomas Miata, check it out. You, Thomas. What's up, John?
What's up?
Everything ready to rock?
Oh yeah, always.
Always.
Even if it's not, still rock.
Wadman is lining up right now for his first battle. Good luck, buddy. Everybody's getting ready to party, but we can't see any of the action from down here, so we're just chilling, watching the line, and that's about it. That's gonna be a really... So yeah guys, I am currently driving back to the pits to grab a charger. Figured I'd give you a little check-in. First time without anybody directly next to me. Got some stubble. Ryan's right about to do his battle and his radio died. So I think we left it on by accident. Have to check that on the next one and make sure we don't forget it. So right now he's borrowing Dimitri's radio. Shout out to Dimitri, thanks buddy. And I'm running back to the pits to grab the charger for the radios. Here's the radio charger. All right, onward and upward. Gotta love the heelys. Try not to hit anything. So I have to flash my hard card. This guy checks every time. Make sure you can't get in without the badge. Oh guys, look at this. Look at this view. Hey, we're circle back around, why not? What's up, bro? What's up, Carlos? What's up, TJ? Think? Alright, that was that. Minus a couple of guys up there. Okay, I'm hearing cheering. I'm hearing cheering. Yeah? You get it? Yeah. Alright, I got the radio charging too. Yes, shortly.
Tires and do everything when it comes in.
Alright, let's do it. Top 8 update. A little bit of an issue with the radio being dead. We got it charging enough to make it work. We'll go from there. Killing the game, Aaron. What's up? Tire man, now radio man, radio charger and tire. Starts the tire, does the ice. We got oil draining and checking. And then body panel checking. Me or Frank apparently, whoever grabs it. I do fuel. Jack the car up. And run around basically if anything else needs to get done. Pretty much like anybody else would. Fingers crossed, keep it going. Just drive the car. Bitch is solid. This bitch is solid. Yeah, buddy. I know. Dash bar. Oh, he got a little scrape. Where'd that scrape come from? What are you gonna check it out?
That must have been the cone.
We weren't sure if this was, if it was another cone scuff. I think that was there before though. Look at Molly. South Bay fuel injectors. Into the action. Just top 8. All right, starting on the screen. That was a straight one right there, wasn't it?
Who?
There was a little bobble.
By Rob or Brian?
Bobble. So that was a good
One.
No way.
Love got it, he pulled off first.
No, he didn't.
Ah! And then one more time, blinking.
Come on, Robin.
Oh, dang. Well, that's all, folks. Dimitri, we might follow his story a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Jeff on today, John.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow's gonna be even more exciting.
In the middle of a 5-minute timeout deal, potentially middle of the battle, so you can't work on the car. Like Dimitri touched the wall a little bit or something. Touched something. Probably the wall, right?
Yep.
The concrete wall out there.
And then love hit him.
But for now, we've been chilling in the shade, enjoying the AC.
Like mine now. Dude, I've been tapping left and right, bro.
Good job, dude. Congrats.
Come on.
Horse.
That's my collection style right there. The trunk is all messed up. Thomas, you got it? You can just flip to, what are you doing?
I'm videoing right now. I can do a picture real quick.
All right.
Push, push, push. Pop it. Direct it, Rob. What's good, Rob?
Oh, not much.
This is your first time in this video, buddy.
Watch out.
Come see Cricket. Look at this man. That's gonna be like a slow B-roll shot. Ow. Oh.
You got God.
So this is interesting. Back house FD stuff. What are you guys doing?
I can stop.
Behind the scenes.
Turn an
behind the scenes.
S54 down in what, like 35, 40 minutes?
Oh my goodness.
Pretty quick.
It's okay to do that to them?
Yeah.
They're strong. They can handle all the views. You throw anything at them.
God. It's just a trophy for Dimitri now.
Fourth place trophy.
Fourth place trophy. They have a welder. You can pop stuff together real quick.
I'm going to take all the parts back with me that look good, then I'll have the machine shop have them all checked, and then we can build another motor and not have to buy